Hi, my name's Brooke with WTI. I love traveling, I love the stuff, but I don't want to have it in my car necessarily. That's why this Quadratec storage cargo bag is so handy. The waterproof vinyl really works. We use this with the rain and snow, and everything inside stayed dry. That is the most important thing to me. That plus knowing with these straps, these built-in 6 cinch down straps hold everything in place, so I'm not worried at all. And we can be comfortable knowing that everything's secure and safe on a roof. I like that I can fold it up and store it because it is a soft shell and not take up too much space. This is a jumbo size that fits so much stuff in it. And these industrial zippers make it easier to zip up and use and close. So this makes traveling just so easy. I love that I can rely on this cargo bag. We love this and it makes our life that much better. But that's just my point of view.